Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to start timer here in Zoho People. Right, so first up, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Time Tracker. Click on it, and once done, make sure that you click on Log Time right here at the top. Okay, click on it, and after that, go ahead and give it a project name. Or if you already have a project name right here, just basically select one from the list. If not, you go ahead and create one. Okay, sample project, just for example. Hit on submit. Job name right here. Name it whatever you want. Sample job. Okay. Submit. Work item. Could just go ahead and describe it from here. And the date. You have the calendar view if you want to select a specific date and add into your description. Okay. Hours right here. Make sure to select timer. Okay. Or by total hours. You can go ahead and enter maybe 1 hour. Okay. Or just the timer. All right, billable status could be billable or non-billable. If you want to upload some attachments, you can go and click on desktop right here. Or if you have the files from Zoho Work Drive, you can go and click on Zoho Work Drive. And then once that's done, just click on save. And here, as you can see, as fast as that, it automatically starts. Okay. If you want to stop the timer, just basically click on the red button right here that says stop timer. That's basically it. That is how you start a timer here in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.